Alright guys, welcome back to another video for the day. Second video. Well, this is my first vlog, but welcome to the video, guys. I don't know. So I just decided to get on my bike and go ride around because, you know, everything's heavy. Okay, so, I don't know what we're gonna do right now, but yeah. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so my favorite thing to do is ride bike and go outside. And, you know, very little people have a channel in my neighborhood. I just know it's me, my brother, what is it? Jesse. I don't think Cody actually does. But we're gonna head to somebody's house because, you know. So we're gonna head to somebody's house. I'm gonna go with my friend Dylan, and he lives over that way on the other side of the road. But we're gonna go look for him right now. We'll get there. But I'll we are almost there. Not feeling like. Budge. Alright, I don't see him anywhere, guys, so yeah. What the heck is this idiot doing over here? I'm not going over there because that man, but yeah, I'm not going to head back over there because that, you know. Alright, I'll show you what's going on, guys. But check this out. Look at this dude. Ready, guys? Watch. Look at him. He's not even moving. He's just staring. But let me zoom in. Alright, well, I'm going to zoom in real quick. I'm going to zoom in max, so. Alright. There it is. What the heck is that music? So. I don't know what's going on, but that man just like staring at me, I guess. Alright, we're gonna flip the camera back around. Pretty sure this is gonna scare you guys. But I'm looking for Dylan right now because that kid, he wandered off. I don't know. Oh, okay. I don't know where he went, but we're gonna see if I can find him because excuse me. But alright, so we're just gonna keep going straight. Freak it. Oh, hi peoples. This is awkward. I don't have any friends anywhere right now, like fans, but which I really need you people to subscribe to me, okay? You people are really helped out for me, and I feel lonely. That's why I've created this channel, because really everybody dislikes it, and I have nothing to say, but like everybody just hates me. I don't know why, but I just need subscribers and stuff like that. That way I don't feel left out that much. So yeah, that guy's still just sitting there. Retarded. Okay. Well, yeah, I just feel left out by people. But I can go ahead and do stuff like that. But yeah. Why? Why? Okay. Alright, bye. Bye, guys. See you next vlog, and